Can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. You guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you can't tell right now, I am feeling very sick, so I apologize for the nasaliness of my voice. And as you can see, this week is pretty blank because I'm going to Vegas with my parents for spring break, which I'm really excited about. And you can see we don't really have any plans for these days, except for some things I had to do for something at school. But other than that, we really don't know what we're going to do. We know we want to eat, see shows, and explore. So if you have any ideas of what we can do while we're in Vegas, I would really appreciate it. Leave it in a comment down below, and I will be doing a lot of like vlogging on Instagram, hopefully. So follow me on Instagram at TheRealIvy so you can see a few video clips of our time in Vegas. I'm really excited. This is my first time, so really excited to be there, and I love the way this kit turned out. If you're wondering, this was the Las Vegas kit from the Glam Planner. I will have her shop link down below so you can see if she has a kit similar to this, or if you can find this kit on her shop, because this was a mystery kit. So I'm really happy I got this because this was perfect for this Vegas week. And I just want to give a shout out to Jen and Cindic and my dad for commenting in my last video. It really makes my day when you guys comment. So please don't forget to comment down below so you can get a shout out in next week's video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So for next week, we're switching up from the crazy Vegas vibes to the very pastel nighttime vibes of this Love You to the Move and Back kit from the Glam Planner. It's just a very soft and pillowy week, and I really love the clip art for this week and the color palette. So if you want to see why I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this is the Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!